Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon coconut drink. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the straw. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up, and then another one that's right next to it. Then I'm going to draw this line out. I'm going to go up, and then I'm just going to bring it down and connect to here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. I'm going to go around like this, and I'm just going to bring it back to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of curve it around, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here. And then I'm just going to kind of continue and go right back around. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up, kind of like a little V. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to curve around, and then I'm just going to bring it back up to here. Then I'm going to draw the little lines of my straw all the way down. And then I'm going to add some little curved lines right onto it, just like this. Then over here, I'm going to add a little umbrella. So I'm just going to draw one line that's real skinny, like this. I'm going to draw a little curved line right around here. Little line that goes up and then comes down. And then a little bump like this. Then I'm going to just draw a little line like this, and then a couple more kind of little bumps right around here. And then I'm just going to add a few little lines that just kind of come right up to the top of the umbrella, just for a little bit of detail. Then I'm just going to add a couple little like broken lines coming around here, and then just a few little different size lines going up my little coconut. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.